If you want to trade with me, I have a shadow trading program where you will be added to a private group and receive alerts in a moment's notice anytime I enter and exit a trade. Click the link in the description below and let's start taking these trades together. Hello and welcome everyone to today's video. For this one we are looking at a buy position and ultimately looking to capitalize on a trend continuation in combination with the decent volume we have stepping into this pair currently. Among other technical indications, following a trend combined with good volume levels can help in establishing a good trade entry. If you're new to trading on Nadex or new to trading binary options in general, be sure to note that these are more risky than traditional investing and trading methods. Always make sure to start off with the demo account and keep your risk to reward ratio carefully accounted for in accordance with your personal risk tolerance and overall profit goals. So from here, I will go ahead and bring you guys back when we are heading into expiration or taking profits early for this position here. Okay everyone, so here we are, and as anticipated we saw this position with a fantastic profit overall. As briefly mentioned, I combine different forms of technical analysis when watching for potential trade setups. I apply this rule set across any time frames I trade, whether it be the 5-minute binary options, 2-hour contracts, or daily. The more indicators stacked in your favor, all pointing to the same spot for an entry, the better. Other traders are also using these indicators for their own strategies and will be watching for these same potential entries as well. This is where combining multiple indicators together sets you apart and makes for more confident trading decisions, because as stated, when you've got a trader using just indicator 1 and then you've got another trader using just indicator number 2, but you're using both of them and they line up together, that's when you're getting in on the same entry as both traders, and you can see how that makes for a better entry opportunity overall, especially for a long-term strategy. This is just an insight into the approach I use across all of my trades and what I cover in detail with my Informed Traders educational package down below. This also includes demonstrations of the indicators I use and using them in action to demonstrate this trading approach. Also below is the shadow trading program where you can get access to any time I enter or exit a trade, Sundays through Thursdays at 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. On the channel you can find live examples from the shadow trading program, as well as weekly and monthly recaps from time to time that I post here. If that sounds great, be sure to check out the resources in the description below for more. Well, I appreciate you guys stopping by for this one, and I hope you got some useful insight to take forward for your own trading skill set. Be sure to like and subscribe to stay up to date with more tips and helpful content just like you see here, and I will see you in the next one. Stay safe out there. Peace. If you want to trade with me, I have a shadow trading program where you will be added to a private group and receive alerts in a moment's notice anytime I enter and exit a trade. Click the link in the description below and let's start taking these trades together.